Alright guys, in this video I will explain the difference between BOS and CHoCH in a simple chart. So let's start with BOS, which is breakup structure. So in an uptrend movement, price makes higher high and higher lows when the market breaks the previous high. Okay, according to if you look here properly, you will see that when the market makes higher high, right, that is a BOS, right? That's BOS over there. When the market keeps breaking structure, like keep making higher high, that's a BOS in an uptrend movement. Okay, the same thing goes in a downtrend movement. When the price keep making a lower low, keep creating a lower low, that's a BOS too, right? That's a BOS. It actually shows, most times actually shows that the trend is continuing, like the trend is still on. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that is a BOS. So let's talk about CHoCH. Okay, CHoCH actually happens when price fails to create another higher high after the previous one, but instead forming a lower high, right? That is when CHoCH occurs, right? Breaking the last higher high, right? So it actually signals that there might be a reversal because it couldn't break the previous higher high, but rather created a new higher low, then went down. That is what we call CHoCH, right? That is change of character. It's as simple as that. Okay. So in conclusion, BOS shows that the trend continues, right? Each high shows that the trend continues. While CHoCH, on the other hand, shows the possibility of trend reversal, right? This is the difference. Anyways, follow me for more money smart tips, okay? Also, subscribe to my channel, like, share, dropping more videos on different topics. See you guys